I'm going to be showing you how to set up Indian bank account for Etsy shop. So setting up an Indian bank account for your Etsy shop works through Etsy Payments, which handles payouts to your bank automatically. And here's the correct 2026 process. So the first thing you need to do is India is supported by Etsy Payments. So you'll receive money in Indian rupees directly to your bank. So the step-by-step setup should be to go to Etsy first. And you need to go to open your shop option. Just scroll down once you're in the Etsy.com option and just find this here. Just go ahead on tap here, and then you just need to enter all of your information about your shop details, language, currency, and all that. And then on the third step, you'll be asked how you'll get paid, like this. So it'll tell you in a descriptive way about everything you'll be doing, and it'll ask you where your bank is located. Since we're talking about Indian bank, you need to select India, and then scroll down and select a country of residence, which should also be India. And scroll down again, and it'll tell you here that you'll need to first sign up with Payoneer, which is a third-party payment provider. So make sure you have that account, and once you've created your Payoneer account, you just need to tap on this option right here that says connect your Payoneer account. So this is a requirement. You cannot opt out of it. So make sure you enter your full name, bank account number, IFSC code, bank name, address, and make sure everything matches exactly. It'll also ask you for identity verification like PAN card, passport, or selfie verification required to receive payouts. So in this way, you can successfully set up Indian bank account for Etsy shop. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.